Welcome, gun showers. It is December 11th, 2022. I am at the Big St. Charles Gun Show. I'm about to go inside. It's been about 8-10 months since I've actually shot a film in a gun show, and I've been saving my money diligently, and today I'm going to look for a big purchase. So why don't you come inside and let's check out what we got going on. How you doing, Mr. Best Shot?
What you know, big guy?
Man, I had a buddy buy a 45-70 just for deer season this year, and he says, man, I can't find any ammo in the stores. I said, well, I have some. So it's good stuff.
Hey, you got quite a bit of it.
And everything I do for my channel, I buy at the gun shows only to support. And I've been wanting to buy a safe so I can then blow it up and see how tough it is. I've got a plan. How you doing, brother?
Good, how are you doing?
Oh, another day in paradise, finally back at the gun shows.
Yeah, you haven't been to this one.
Yeah, been busy with work, my regular job, and then that's finally not calmed down, but I finally shut down the Missouri warehouse, so I work from home full time now, so I'm back able to do. I like that mare's leg right there.
I knew that one would put the brakes on.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, yourself?
I am good, I am good. Tell me about this.
Oh, it's a 22. You need to get into something a little bigger.
A little bigger?
heavier.
Well, what do you got to show me? What do you got going on today? Because I like that. That looks interesting. And I came with a little bit of money today.
Yes, sir.
What do we have here?
This is what you want so you can shoot a mile.
Shoot a mile.
Shoot a mile.
What's you showing me today, Roger? All right.
An ARMALITE 50 caliber BMG 720 grain slug tripod. They say it'll shoot a minute of angle. So if you want to shoot a mile, this is what you're needing.
Well, Roger, it is Christmas, and I came with a little more money than I expected today, and I think you have piqued my interests. Yes, I think this is what we need.
720 grain slug, meaning that the entire bullet weight of the slug is heavier than the complete cartridge of most rifles. So,
all right, Roger. Well, you have piqued my interest. Let's get to talking.
okay.
Let's get to talking. Thank you, sir.
Reloading.
Now, I was told at the gun show that you were the place to come find some specialty 50 BMG ammo from.
Yes, sir, you are correct.
Tell me about it.
That is a blue tip 50 BMG incendiary round
Yep.
from about the 70s.
So it'll probably zip right through this bad boy, no problem.
Yes, it will.
All right, all right.
Make a hell of a flash.
Well, I got some AR 500 plate and then this steel one I just picked up to see if it makes a difference when I'm shooting the regular ball ammo. This one is not. I got an AR 500 plate. I'm going to shoot. This was steel. Guy selling them here. I want to see the difference.
That like butter.
Oh yeah, I got some regular ball
Put the armor
rounds.
plate behind it.
Yep.
And see what it does as it penetrates.
So put the armor plate behind it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it and I'll put it on YouTube. And you come watch it. The gun show.
Okay.
Check it out. Any advice shooting my 50 my first time?
Yes, earplugs underneath earmuffs.
Okay.
Keep your lips closed, your teeth open.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's going to feel like somebody hit you in the head with a hammer.
All right. Well, I appreciate that.
And if you have anybody with you, they want to be right behind
Directly.
you or way off to the side.
Okay. Awesome.
Put a tarp down because if it's dusty or
Oh, it's going to blow the air right up my face. Gotcha. That makes sense. That makes sense.
You can't imagine. I fired a 50 out in Las Vegas 25 years ago, and they had these big tarps down because sand was everywhere.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Big C's. All right, Mr. Mike. Thank you. Good meeting you, sir. Mike? Mickey. Have a good day, Mickey. You guys, I'm having a good day. I got a 50.
Good luck.
Here, get him on camera.
Good luck.
Hey,
man.
thanks for supporting the gun show, folks. Appreciate it. All right, guys, we picked up the ARMALITE AR50. We're getting ready to take a shot down there. If you can poke down there, Gavin, with the camera, get a little all the way down at the edge of the field. We've got the piece 10 set up, and really today, what I'm trying to experience with the ARMALITE AR50 is never shot a 50 before. Let's see what that feels like. We're gonna take all the advice everybody gave us about safety for this. Double up on our ear protection, make sure everybody's away from it. Really just wanna feel what the gun feels like. I've only got about 80 yards today. If you take a look over here, obviously the scope for this setup is it's a little bit bigger than a little bit bigger than for 80 yards. Really, today's goal is not going to be to get it sighted in, because this is not the ideal distance I'd be firing this at. I really just want to get used to the gun, put a couple rounds through it, have all of our friends take a shot through it so everybody gets to shoot the 50. And we're going to stick some ballistics gel now to talk about and possibly dispel a myth about how much pressure comes out of that barrel. What I mean by that is we're going to take this ballistics gel here and we're going to put it right next to the muzzle brake, and we're going to see what happens to it when the gun fires. She's locked, ready to rock.
Over here. Oh my God, dude.
All right, first experience. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be at all. I'm going to give my level of kick on this less than my 45-70. I am not, like, the level of kick comfortable to shoot. So far, everything about I'm smitten. I don't know if I hit anything, but I was aiming way down there, green circle, center dot. Holds target really well. Gun's so heavy that it just stays right on target while I'm sitting there. Gavin, you ready? Whoa. Whoa. It's so different here compared to here.
I think
Whoa.
it's shooting high.
What?
I think it's shooting high. I think I blasted that freaking tree.
Behind it, nice. What you think, Gavin?
This thing is awesome.
First experience
That
shooting
is-
the 50? Gungasm?
Nothing like it, yeah.
Nothing like it. No, sitting to the right behind you to the side, that's a lot of pressure coming off that gun.
And the kick,
Wasn't bad.
it's not what you would expect
Nope.
from a gun
That
this big. And
That
I'm sure
heavy. Yeah.
I'm sure the weight helps, but that's
Okay.
like nothing I've ever shot.
You going next, Hazen?
Yeah, I'll try it.
God bless. It's so different.
Back here, it's just.
I almost think we should bring it down for everybody else instead of having them have to jump up here.
Should we go down there and see how you guys shot?
Yep, I'm all right. I'm gonna go down right now, actually. What'd you think? We didn't get your perspective. I was too scared of the blast. All right,
I think
Hazen,
Mark got him all. It was awesome.
what you think about it? Compare it to another gun.
Well, like Gavin said, the 308, he thinks kicked harder. 308 kicked harder than that thing, but
What do you think about the differences when you're right off center, though? How a little bit of percussion there?
oh yeah.
You probably hit here. I was probably here.
And Gavin hit the tree or whatever behind it. Oh no, that was. You should hit the gaunt over the.
Yeah, no, if we get sighted in, that's the AR500. That's bulletproof. Somebody got to stay right here. You just got to stay right here.
No, that
know.
is crazy.
Yeah.
It's insane.
That's
How's that barrel?
I'm telling you, right over to the right. It's
dude, I get a chub every time.
That's fucking wild.
It is. Somebody's saying there. I'm telling you, it's a different. I gotta quit cussing every time it fires. I gotta quit cussing every time it shoots.
I'm telling you, the first two shots, I was right back there. It just doesn't feel real. It's
Yeah.
crazy.
I don't even know what else to say other than what the fuck.
Yeah, I can't quit cussing.
Sorry, I think I did too.
You're fine.
That's so badass.
Holy gosh. We're gonna have a lot of bleeps. Yeah, I was about to say we're gonna have a lot of bleeps in this video.
So freaking cool.
There we go. Keep it.
Who's next?
That is fucking insane.
Who's next?
Sit around.
Now you got, yeah. It's my first time too.
It is not as bad right behind it though.
No.
How much is it around?
$5 if you buy them, not a bunch at a time.
It's an expensive YouTube video.
Gotta spend money, make money, baby.
It's different. I need to get this thing. It's different back here. There's levels to this.
Standing back here, you feel that thumping.
Oh my.
Alright, take it easy, guys. Alright, peace out, homie.
Maybe.
Yeah, but that's gonna.
How's that view look on that camera?
I bet you it's gonna blow that camera right off.
Oh, it's gonna flood. Shoot it. Just... Here, I'm just gonna lift.
Oh, you setting that?
You want to hold it? No, don't stand next to it.
Anybody got tape?
Hell no, I ain't.
Who's got the camera?
Tape.
You good? Hot range.
Trying to down from it.
All right, so let's see what it did to the gel.
I didn't see nothing in the gel.
So, something I was told was it messed you up.
I would think it had to be that.
That smell, I could never get tired of
That couldn't have been it.
That's it right there.
You think?
Well, let's dispel that myth. It didn't even cut the ballistics gel. Maybe we'll do a second time just to get a better, maybe mark it up to see exactly where it's hitting. Let's run down there and see how everything's going.
Drop.
So we're about 16 inches high.
Yeah.
Pretty consistently. We're gonna try to shoot the gong. Who has anybody not shot yet? You've not shot? Oh, you should have spoke up earlier. You helped with the camera. You get precedence above non-helpers. No offense to everybody.
Well, I already shot it, so it's okay.
No, I know, it's good. I say you should have spoke up. I didn't blame you.
Just aim way below the gong.
Hear that echo?
Camera goes flying. Camera. That's crazy. That's not bad at all.
The pressure is more than the kick.
Oh, here you go.
It's
Yeah, way more.
Camera's struggling.
Awesome.
So, everybody, what do you think of the AR50?
Easy peasy. Hell yeah.
Easy peasy, hell yeah. I like it too. All right, guys, we're gonna try to hit the gong down there. We've got it pretty much sighted in between about 16 inches shooting high at this range. We're good with that. Let's just see if we can get it dialed in on that gong way down there.
No, I was expecting.
Move it over to the right, like a foot.
Yeah, it's gone. What the fuck me move it over? Sorry,
Man.
I cussed too much.
All right.
All right, we're going down to see the gong. All right, I can see it, but it somehow went through the fence. It's on the other side. It went through the fence. It pushed it through the fence.
what?
It pushed it through the fence.
I don't see a hole.
Bro, there's green all over the fence.
I don't see a hole.
Holy crap.
Oh! Dude, it held up to a 50.
That's a good AR500 plate.
That's a heck of a freaking plate there.
Man.
Take a 50 round and not even barely dimple the back.
Hey, Shrek out here, man.
Yeah, Shrek head, yeah.
I figured for sure it was
I'm more like,
clean through.
look how much power to push it through a fence.
Wow.
I cannot believe that plate held up to that.
Neither can I. Try to.
It's a bulletproof
Try it again.
AR500 plate. Let's do it again.
No.
That's the first time I didn't cuss. I was like, shut the hell up, Craig. Don't cuss. Just let it go.
It's not as bad as really not bad at all.
It's yeah, dude. That's what I thought. Give me your first expression. Ask him. What's your thoughts? 50 cal, first time.
I thought that it was gonna be kicking me. I thought it was gonna stumble off my fucking seat, you know, for real. But it is amazing and it feels great.
Yeah.
Take the deep breath in and let it out, and it's just
Perfect.
calm. Perfect.
Perfect.
Don't it feel more? Damn, yeah.
Mike, you want to shoot it?
Squad 51, stand by for response.
And he hit it! Yeah. All right. Cold Rage! Man, from the free stand.
No, did you put it?
All right, guys. Well, we've lost 2 cameras. We're on the final camera I have available to film. One of the gentlemen here decided to try to shoot it standing up after we adjusted the scope to what we thought was dead center, and by golly, oh, he hit the plate. So I'm pretty sure, Gavin, you got that thing sighted in at 80 yards. I'm going to say at 80 yards, we've got it sighted in. That's my dude right there.
Damn.
Wow.
Looks like it is a wood deer rifle.
Yeah.
Carry it out.
Yeah. Just gonna have 2 men to carry it out to the woods.
Didn't go through.
Did not go through the tree,
It smells like.
but we hit the tree a couple times. Here, here.
Smells almost like burnt
Yeah, no.
rubber.
Sounds like a smoke.
No, that's because you farted.
My farts don't smell like rubber.
Now you got it. Come on. I had a walk away insult. That was good. All right, everybody. Thank you for taking time to watch the episode of the Gun Show. Had fun out here with the 50. You're going to see the 50 again in many episodes. I think we did dispel the myth that taking something like the ballistic shell, putting it next to the muzzle brake, Didn't cut it at all. Maybe scorched it a little bit, but we'll get some more tests going, guys. We got an AP round still. We didn't get to shoot it today on my last camera, and that's why. But once again, like, subscribe, follow. Give us a shout out on YouTube, everybody. Have a good night.
Yeah.